Of this part, Chill World Worst Drivers, on cars in extreme situations. Moments on roads, caught on camera. An example, like this shows, that money cannot buy a license. This driver's, near the tram was unexpected, at this point. Driving on Russian roads, the worst possible driver, can be the top of all. At this extreme moment, the rider did not even see a pedestrian. This is called happiness. It was not a good idea to open the car door. The driver's inattention ended with a broken door. The driver of the car and its cargo transported in this way could lead to another, more fatal incident. Russian dog walks by lane. It's amazing how he learned it. This is the worst mistake of the year for the driver of this truck. It was a bad day at work for him. The driver of the red car parked perfectly. Carelessness could end in such a collision. It passes through the middle of the intersection. This is the best moment captured on the camera. A truck ran over the road, a car going much faster. Too much haste of drivers causes errors on the road. The yellow Ferrari collision was very expensive. Bus driver probably does not have a driving license. Turning into such a road should take a larger arm. Rainy weather can make the road slippery and lead to a situation like this. Driver, he damaged several cars while escaping from the scene. Epic moments in Russia captured on dash cam are very funny. Drivers are very kind. An excavator traversing the road created a danger. This time we missed. It did not end well. This truck, at such a moment, did not manage to range before the pedestrian crossing. Driving on German road at high speed can lead to such unsuspected behavior. The transported goods on the trolley, resulting in lost construction materials. This time the driver couldn't do anything when the truck pushed him off the road. Crazy driver caused a situation in which he stopped on the road, thus the other driver hit him. This truck made an extreme maneuver almost tipping sideways. Unbelievable was left by the dash cam. This driver did not notice the oncoming second vehicle behind the cars. At intersections like these you have to look very carefully from side to side. Girl driving the car did not bring up in the right moment. The car did not see what was in front of it. The back of another car ran over. When changing lanes, the truck driver did not notice another vehicle driving parallel with him from the side. This driver cut the road to the oncoming driver. The other driver could not brake in this situation. In America, such accidents often occur because of non-yielding